Hello friends, welcome to Civil Quantity Insider by RG. Today we learn internal wall painting method and rate analysis. This is for beginners to easy way in 6 steps to learn the process of internal wall painting work. First is the surface preparation. With using the sandpaper 180 for removing loose, crack, flake paint, dust, dirt and grease etc. Clean with dry clothes. Second one is the first coat of primer. Primer mixed with the solvent thinnable or water thinnable. Give the time 6 to 8 hours to the dry. Third one is the putty application. Putty used for the fill the dents, imperfections and give the 4 to 6 hours to the drying process. After that, use the sandpaper 180, then wipe clean it. Fourth steps is second coat primer. Primer mixed with the solvent thinnable or water thinnable. Similarly as per first coat of primer. Give the time 6 to 8 hours for drying. Fifth steps is the final sanding. Lightly sand the surface with sandpaper 320 or 400 for smooth finish. Again wipe clean to remove fine dust. Step 6, final or top coat. 1 kg of paint mixed with the 300 to 350 ml of clean water. Apply 2 to 3 coats as per site requirement. At least 4 hours of drying time between each coat. This is a process or a method of internal wall painting work. Our next part is the rate analysis.